Victory today of mine. Oh, joy.
Let me try it again. How I wanted to do this morning? Okay, I'm glad I forget that. You know one thing? This your time of air. Where God, we always have one shout. And you know why? Y'all hear about this your time of air called Juneteenth? You hear about that? No? Can Hunter tell us that Juneteenth? Juneteenth. Juneteenth? Juneteenth. Can Hunter say freedom? Freedom. Can Hunter over here say freedom? Freedom. Big chiller. Y'all can say freedom? Freedom. What great did that? Freedom. Great did y'all hear us? No. What have you been going through? Great God killer. That's why whenever this your time of year come, and we see June to clean in, all them children gather together like Hunter to do anything. And you know, back of yonder, they've been together just to dry long soup. They've been together. Forget about that time, whatever what been I said, June what? Juneteenth. In a tent. Juneteenth. Can Hunter say that? Juneteenth. Juneteenth. There we go. So now, when the children were together back of yonder, around this your time, all the elders them be dead. All the elders who been back on been a shout that time. When that freedom been a come, we call Jubilee Day. Great God children, high pay. And when I take say the church and me to do something now, y'all ain't been to do nothing like we been to do to that masturbation on. Great God, January 1st. Anybody know why January 1st we done shout so? What? Say I'm not going to tell you can't hear you. Emancipation Proclamation. They read where? June 1st. And I know June 1st. I get it. Great God. Say again. When? January 1st. Take him now. January 1st. You come through all this young market land. All these young men in the marching. Had on your blue uniform thing like that. Call it union. Giving you that big suit and star. Back in on and thing like that. It started long that time. You walk right up behind me and walking car. And rats. And they go and thing like that. Some of we with that giant. Them in the marching too. Great God, we were so glad it was young. We look so good and things like that. Holding our chest. Candy on. And this your time when they hungry. They say, look here. It's your day we go have gathering. Over upon this island of pot rock. One children will come in. They wear white plantation every day. And say, bring everyone. Because he going to be a time. Say that man up yonder. In D.C., him and their Laker. Said Laker been sending this your thing. Want all of them for read on the week. And things like that. And so, when Laker been sending this your paper, but read on the week, some more. Then the children come together. That same date, wait a minute again? January 1st. There we go. January 1st, 1863. What's when we were gathered there? They don't need that. Oh, and things like that. But they ain't what's beneath no shit. Because your January ain't hot like an hour. But where God, that boy When we been there in the prayer's house in the bush arbor and take the prayer song, said God done get it out. And God send it your time for it. So plenty we got on these old that day. And sure enough, you read this your long paper called Emancipation Proclamation. Right there in Beaufort County, South Carolina. On Fort Royal, underneath that tree. That tree ain't been a no dry oak tree after that. Even it now we call emancipation on it. And that tree stand up so proud like this, just like we did. But great God, when they say all of this your long run and things like that, me and say 103. Great God, Geechee, Juneteenth. Anybody here know when Juneteenth done? Wanna know when the date of Juneteenth done? Somebody over here, Bishop. Who that been? Who's there?
June 19th.
There we go. Y'all are whispering, they go. June 19th. What year it start? You
No? No. What year been? It started? 1865. There we go. If I didn't tell you 1863, and I said 2 years later, y'all ought to say that. Y'all ain't must know our hand. Great. Boy, we gonna lay hands on plenty of people in your day. All y'all just say 1865. I didn't tell you 2 years after Emancipation Proclamation. So now, June 19, 1865. That is when Juneteenth bust out. So even now, 100 Yeti people will say, great God, in June we celebrate freedom, and you the damn right now and say, well, celebrate them yet? Yeah, we don't do that in January. Yeah, because we had freedom from then. But then children, well, Jonah, where I say in Texas, what the island been? There we go, Galveston.
How you gonna get over
in Galveston, they even for snow. Y'all come forward, come forward. Let down the children get in. Come on.
Excuse me. Get out my way.
Let that children get inside. Because see, we don't want them to say, great God, I ain't been bust no freedom come because I been outdoors. Everybody inside been outdoors free, and I been out here tied down because I ain't been no for run. Come on, y'all. Come on inside. Then the elders them can't clean this here over y'all. Y'all know how the family do. They show up when they want. Ain't it? Come on, y'all. All right, little children. You ain't have to talk for more. Now, what year we been in? What year been? 1865. Where we been at? Texas? Where in Texas? Galveston. And what been going on the first? June what? Juneteenth. But look here. But then children, yet it is your thing. And then on June 19th, same way, that man that came in a marching all through you. But then we know, that man, here's your proclamation about to read. Same way, this your major, head through the tent, land for that show in Galveston. And that morning, they come off. And they gathered the people together what we did it. Still a work for the plantation and things. Plenty of that children down Europe in their house. Even been to work one time. And this same thing here. But it grow so well like it grow young. Anybody know what this is? Cotton. Wrong young. This your thing. The Sea Island cotton. Y'all say Sea Island cotton? Sea Island cotton. Because in the Gullah Geechee nation, this your land mecca for the Sea Islands. That started up in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Can y'all say Jacksonville? Jacksonville. And going down to Jacksonville, Florida. Can you say Jacksonville again? Jacksonville. So now, we caught Nehemiah for we islands. But what about Texas, Alabama, and Mississippi and things like that? They're caught in like a wheel. They're caught in long and thin like a dish. But then, make them no easier for walking. So then children be there, still a walk, a broken back, and walking these kind of things. Other rest been a walk on, other rest cropping, all of them too. Their house. Turn off the camera, please, man. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. So now, when we gather together, and we just say, we are joining freedom. We have a study on when freedom becomes one thing and when freedom becomes something else. Because everybody not get freedom at the same time. Just like all that we've been done in this here room, and y'all been done, yeah, even freedom in. We've been done shout for them. Well, what about that children who come in here so late? They come in here, we don't settle down in it. We done been into what we've been to do. Same thing, y'all. We've been done on one land. We've been
also said, people ain't no freedom done God. But if you didn't live, sometimes you miss out on your blessing. See, then we chilling for 2.5 years in chaos. Miss out on that blessing of freedom. But I still watch for people who ain't before dead for hold them down. But them people gonna get the shiny things from the still. Because sometimes, you ain't got no cheating like, just take them young. Or make you sleep. So if you start to think that way you die, people treat you like that when you die. When you take say free, they ain't got nothing else to deal with but my free part. And now what happened that day? They come in there and troop the gallows stuff. And they get them killer no. So you don't have to do this shit no more. You don't have to do that no fear for nobody for free no more. That you can get up, pour yourself, carry yourself, like home on a mind out there, and have your family together, and show with them, pray with them, live with them, love them. Ain't nobody gonna keep them from you. Cause see, for that time, somebody could have come in and just carry you. And could give you away to somebody else and make you for live there. And if you try to run, they beat you up. Tell you stay where he carry you. And then the man could have taken you somewhere else and he could have lined you up there and could have sell you. Like you sell shoes and food and cow and cat and pigeons and all kind of things. That would be in a slave business. When people could just keep you from your family and you might never see them no more because it carries so far away. And then you would have liked that? No, ain't it? That hunting thing, ain't it? You like being over here? No. You won't go back in. Why? Because you know them. You know the other people, right? What's your name? Joseph. Joseph said he ain't like them over here. Joseph said won't go back over there. But you see, I got Joseph hold over here. I got him bound. That was slavery bed. They'll bind you even when you ain't want to be. But you understand, when God set you free, ain't no binding. That's right. You see? And you can go back where you know your people. And where they gonna take care of you. Ain't gonna do no harm to them, though. I think I'm protecting you. So, but that's what you have to watch out for. Because even now you got people ain't nice. And will take you from your family. Can't let them do that. That's why when you get in, your parents will say, look, your mind who you deal with. Mind the company under the key. Stay out of here when people that know where you're going at. They're in the dorm dry long, so they're doing because they want to protect you. They want to take care of you. Okay? They don't want no harm come to you. You understand? Y'all understand? Yes, ma'am. Y'all understand? Yes, yeah? I know some of y'all big children thinking y'all going, so y'all go where y'all please, but y'all cut y'all too. Okay. The people be the keep growing people too now. That's right. And then they see the family see the wheel. Y'all are coming with it. You got the pastor, the missionary, the evangelist. Y'all want all that. And for that time we see all the rest of Christmas and Easter, but y'all still there. Because why? You ain't want that from the people you know. Even though sometimes it get on your nerve. You love that nerve getting on there. But see, that mind is such a time for me. Because when all of we going to get back together, after doing something, the children been done leave, doing shit, get some of the people that care, we across the honor, and we couldn't get down, and that been a weak family. Glad God when children see a family to run to. Oh, he shout and prayers with them. Boy, it's been a glad time. But look at how long we've been here till I said together. Ooh, and a half years after me. So y'all ready for Juneteenth? North say, that are some family what they do out Jordan. And see when they be going on Jordan and tell, I said, oh, they want to do like that. Once when they get there, they're going to crack a teeth like that, they should too. But after a while, they started to change. They started to speak like this. Because many of the people in Texas and Oklahoma, they didn't speak Gullah. But when many of our ancestors went west, fighting for freedom, and became part of the Union soldiers, became part of what they call the Seminoles, Negro Scouts. They were fighting for freedom for all of us. Even though they were doing it in the 1800s, they knew this generation of us was coming. And they wanted that Jubilee Day for somebody. They wasn't just thinking of themselves. They wanted their families to be able to be together. So today when you read about them, you read about them called Black Indians. You read about them called Black Seminoles. Can y'all say Seminoles? Seminoles. You read about them called Afro-Seminoles. Can y'all say Afro-Seminoles? Afro-Seminoles. But all of those folks are Gullah Geechee. And they're from the Gullah Geechee Nation. The Gullah Geechee Nation, what kind of islands we got again? Sea Islands. Oh, you on top of your game now. The Sea Islands. And the Sea Islands start where? Jacksonville where? North Carolina. And go down to where? Jacksonville. And you know where else it goes? It goes 35 miles inland to a river called the St. John River. Many of our people who left the Carolinas went along the St. John River and ended up down in Florida. So you got entire pockets of Gullah Geechee, many times called Seminole, even in Florida. Still living there. But they can still crack the teeth like that. That's the only way to get together and knock out the rest of the people that did it. Alright? And so, many times, when you see them, you never know who they were. But that's when it takes talking. And see, it took talking. And it took what? Listening, like some people here having a hard time with right now. Excuse me, young lady. I'm facing this way, so you should be this way. All right? And y'all supposed to be doing what? How many of these do you have?
2.
How many of these do you have?
1.
You know why? Because you're supposed to do twice as much listening as you do talking. So I need y'all to use these. Alright? If those folks in 1863 and in 1865 didn't use these, we'd have still had tens of thousands of people just picking cotton and Carolina gold rice and indigo right on through. Just keep on doing it. When nobody even there to enslave them because they didn't know freedom came because it wasn't listening. A lot of times you turn around and somebody asks you a question, you say, I don't know, but they already gave you the answer. But you weren't what? Listening. So now, what river did I say that our folks went to, our land goes to? St. John, that's right. St. John River. That river, been the one of them river that when people yet it, we done sing, we spiritual and thing even now. They don't stand because we don't sing song since St. John River. But we sing song like a get away, Chile, Jordan, get away, oh, Chile, Jordan, get away, Chile, Jordan, I want to cross over to see my Lord. Well, who backyard was dressed white? I want to cross over to see my Lord. It looks like a cheer of the Israelites. I want to cross over to see my Lord. Well, who backyard was dressed in red? I want to cross over to see my Lord. It looks like a cheer of Moses' land. over to see my Lord. Feel it, Jordan. Get away. Oh, feel it, Jordan. Get away. Feel it, Jordan. I walk across the water to see my Lord. When we together, and why tell y'all this your stuff, Bill? What day y'all? And what other thing I mentioned that you grow? Get down for them? Right? And what been the glue thing? Indigo. See, if you've been a Yeti me, you would have known the answer. Cotton, rice, and indigo. Sea Island cotton, Carolina gold rice, and indigo. Even when we've been to walk in there, we've been to sing song like Get Me a Chili Joy. Because we know sick. Some of we've been going to run away from them plantation islands. For Emancipation Proclamation, for Juneteenth it started. Plenty of we've been to get ready freedom. So when that day come, we could have shot. Because they had to run in the cover at night. No. Could have been free in the broad daylight. Because 600 poor. And half of going off Jonah and work for no dollar no more. You could have sit with your family and leave children and let them know who his family does and things like that. And let them know the hard times that we come through so they can appreciate what God. But see today, a lot of us don't take the time out to teach the children about our story so that they know that there was a time that wasn't as easy as this. There was a time when there wasn't no building for you to sit in, especially with all these different people and different colors together. We couldn't do it because you were breaking the law if you did. There was a time that even if you gathered outside under the tree and it was different people of all different races and different colors, it was against the law. You wasn't supposed to do it. But somebody had to fight for that to change. Because it was never right to say that somebody was better than somebody else. Because God made us all. So that's why when our elders would gather together in the evening time, whether it was in the bush arbor, the brush arbor, they ain't never worried about the skeet of them. They ain't never worried about the heat of the cold and things like that. They still would have gathered together because they were glad they could have feel something. They were glad that they said blood was still running warm in the veins. Little church, hush. It's like now, y'all little church don't first go outside and look like tell people carry. Because y'all think that all the things we're supposed to go and have to go inside the building. But you ain't supposed to know how the building get there. Y'all think that this building been here in 1865? So if it ain't been here in 1865, you better was know it ain't been here in 1863. What do you think we did all around here in 1863? Trees and wells. Land with water. And water. And wells. Rice, yes ma'am. And cotton. And indigo. There we go. And minnows and okra and watermelon. What y'all like for now putting this time of year? But y'all when now put them out the store, y'all think say grocery grow in the store, but they don't. They grow out there in that same field that we ancestors them didn't work. And it been in that field that song the freedom come from. That song that we yet about now, you yet him in the church and I start clapping you off and oh yes song. What kind of songs are they called? You ain't dropped the Negro. Spirituals. Spirituals. Spirituals are the official music of the Gullah Geechee Nation and then the official music of the state of South Carolina that we're in. Those songs were written by our Gullah Geechee ancestors. And why do I take the time to tell you that? This is the month of June what? Juneteenth. But it is also what kind of special month? June is, oh yes ma'am, it's a summer month. But what is it that's celebrated during June of every
every year, and the people who come here every year and see me, y'all need to know this answer. Somebody need to go get a switch. Not only know Juneteenth, we don't say that. Juneteenth is one day of the month. What day it is again? Tell them the date. June 19th. June 19th. That is one day. I said the whole month is what? For what? Somebody said no. Who? Not Black history. Black
music.
No. You're skipping a word. What the songs are? Songs are. Boom. Say it louder.
Black Music Month.
Black Music Month. February is Black History Month.
You said black music.
Great. Yeah, Lord, let me get a bucket of oil. They're going to take the wild anointing oil. Use your hand and your shoulder. Because I know y'all been to thinking y'all been in your last year when I've been to talk about Black Music Month. Y'all been wiping us do all this year. Hey, y'all told me y'all didn't even sit down with them. Juneteenth. Oh, spiritual part. Great. Y'all are better than that. Black Music Month. So this whole month, not only do I celebrate songs of freedom, but I celebrate our music that my ancestors, our elders, our community members created. The spirituals are where the blues ended up evolving from, and later getting R&B. From this you got jazz, another interpretation of what the sounds were and the feelings that people had, even as they worked in the field, even as they struggled for freedom, even as they had to fight to break down barriers. And later, you had hip-hop develop because of R&B, rhythm, and blues, building on these things. Because our ancestors' souls in those fields, and those men and women that adorn those blue uniforms during the U.S. Civil War, that literally put their lives on the line for freedom, never went in to any place without a song and a prayer. The songs from this region have been documented from the what kind of islands we got again? Sea islands. And even Washington, D.C. is acknowledged. St. Helena Island, where I'm from, as the first place where they saw the songs called the spirituals written down and codified in Beaufort County, South Carolina. Same way where Port Royal Island is, where the what tree is? Emancipation. Yes, the Emancipation Oak. Can y'all say that? The Emancipation Oak. So if anyone ever says to y'all in school, have you heard of the Emancipation Proclamation? Can y'all say Emancipation Proclamation? Emancipation Proclamation. You let them know, yes, I heard it, and I know it was first read at Port Royal Island, South Carolina. All right? That was the very first place ever where it was read. Where was that? Where was it read, little girl? You were looking back, so you didn't hear the answer? Huh? Do you know? Y'all help her. What was the answer?
Royal.
Okay, say that. Yes, Port Royal Island, here in South Carolina. So when y'all talk about freedom with anybody, you can let them know we got the message. And when we got them, we've been to shout for it. We've been to sing for it. Because the family been together one more again. So Chilla, you know, love sitting there in the yard with you and things like that. But it ain't like you know. I don't think so. The grocery grow inside the store. So I got to go get out showing in the field. So you know, can't have good clothes on and think what I had on the turf for going to feed. So got to go chill. But Chilla, no matter what 100 children do, keep on shouting. Because you're free.